NaturalONE Tutorial, Search and Navigation. The source editor provides rich find and replace functionality. The search function is invoked with Control F, which opens a menu with the last search term or the term currently selected. There's a handy help function built in, which lets you see both your most recent searches and most recent replacements in the drop-down boxes. Searches can run forward or backward, and you can specify whether they need to be case-sensitive or should include regular expressions. On clicking Find, the cursor will be positioned at the first match. While you can click Find to continue searching, you can also close the menu and check the right-hand side of the slider where small gray boxes have appeared to mark each match. Clicking on them takes you to the specific code line and lets you see each instance of the search result. But not all searches are as simple as running through a single source file. In cases where we need to search for a text string in the entire project, we can use the File Search feature. Here we can specify a text or a wildcard that will locate every source file that contains an instance of this text. We can specify a name pattern for the files we want to search in, for example, selecting only program files or subprograms, or using regular expressions. But right now, we are just going to search for the text string cancel. We click Search, and a tab will be opened in the bottom right-hand corner. For some searches, the result may be huge, and it is recommended to refine the search to get better results. Eclipse offers us a great amount of flexibility. For example, we can drag this view to another position. So let's move it up here, and then make a bit more space by rearranging the other windows so we can see the full text. And now we can see the full list and full line length. In the result view, you can see a list of the sources that contain this text. It will open up the first source, which shows you the content of the lines with a match. Double-clicking opens up the editor view and positions you at that exact line. You may also see these faint gray boxes to the right on the scroll bar, which indicate that there is more than one occurrence in the source text. You can now easily navigate through all the text in the search results, and whenever you find the right hit, double-click it to open up the source editor at that position. When you are done looking at the search results and you want to return to your original view, you can do so by resetting the perspective. Click Windows, Perspective, Reset Perspective, and it will return you to your original setup.